Good evening. Myself Dr. Laxmi Kanta Mishra, Senior Consultant, Apollo Hospital, Bhubaneswar, and the Director of Soundarya Cosmetic Surgery Clinic, Ruchika Market, Bhubaneswar. Today we will discuss regarding the treatment of the facial folds and also the facial depressions and its treatment. Filler is the treatment for the corrections of these depressions. Usually due to aging, we will notice there is depressions on the nasolabial folds and also this malar prominence around the lip and angle of the lip. We will get it, these depressions. These depressions can be corrected by a filler. Filler just to a material to inject into the space area to fill the space regions. So in market, a reputed company like Allergan marketing the Juvederm as a material for the treatment of the facial contouring and also the aging face. The filler is commonly used. Filler is a very day care procedures, but it must be given in an experienced plastic surgeon's hand. Filler, the composition is hyaluronic acids, should be given by experienced plastic surgeons, as when we are injecting, sometimes they may traverse into the blood vessels and produces a severe complications. So should be given by a certified plastic surgeons who has been authorized by this the associations of the cosmetic surgery group. It is a pre-filled injections available in the market, and the cost will be around 40 to 45,000 and can be given for both the sides of the face. The most common sites for the injections of this filler is the nasolabial fold, the malar prominence, the depressions on these cheek regions. Sometimes also we will get it also the fold in the zygomatic arch also the depressions may be noticed. So the points to be taken and exactly the opposite side marking to be done. Otherwise, there is change of the facial appearance and we will get a result, not natural results, when we are injecting this filler. We must know the side effects of this filler. As I told also, should be given by a experienced plastic surgeons. Otherwise, we will face a severe type of side effects when it will pierces into the blood vessels and may cause even death has noticed. So it should be given in an experienced plastic surgeon hand. And the minor complications like we will get it during the time of injections. Sometimes the patient will have some pain and the pain will be reduced within 1 hour to 2 hours, and sometimes they will feel heaviness on the face. Usually it resolves within 3 to 4 days. So what are the precautions to be taken after these injections of this filler? Like this, after injections of this filler, you should not rub the face around at least for 3 to 4 days. Just some warm saline to be washed by this face. Don't rub and don't apply any moisturizers or to rub for the facial cleansing should be avoided for 1 to 2 weeks. Filler is available in the market as a Juvederm, which is a hyaluronic acids. It's a day care procedures. 15 to 20 minutes will take. Should be given by an experienced plastic surgeon's hand, and the result is extremely happy and will remain for at least 2 to 3 years in the life. Take injection filler and you will have a youthful and a glazy face. Thank you.